All right, Andy's 1973 BMW 3.0 CS. Had a little hard start, not wanting to stay lit when it's cold, and having a nice big stumble when you leave a red light or a stop. So we're gonna dig in here and see what we got. Beautiful car though. All right, so I just tried to start the car and it sputtered for a couple seconds and ran, and then as soon as I touched the throttle it died. It was idling really low, really cold. I mean, it's not really cold, it's like 100 degrees today. Anyway, lots of fuel on top of the air filter element here. Pulled the other one off already, didn't have as much, but there's fuel puddling back in here. And also, the choke on the front doesn't seem to be actuating. So we're gonna pull the rest of the air cleaner assembly off and we're gonna dig in. So the car was a little bit lazy and boggy, like we were saying. I mean, you could move it just with the throttle and it would fall on its face. Getting better. I put a little timing into it. I've adjusted the idle speed to get it where we want it. I'm going to adjust our idle mixtures. We're going to hook everything up and see where we go. All right, we got our idling pretty good. Our idle speed here for each carb. And then there's a common idle speed here. Idle mixture. As you see, so yeah, this one is outside right there. Another one here, back there behind the return spring. So we got our idling pretty good. Seems a lot snappier. I'm gonna go take it for a drive and see. Nice and smooth. No more hesitation from a start.